everyone, welcome back to Food's Pathway to Life. In this channel, I teach you how to make low carbohydrate food and if possible, 0% starch. If possible, sugar-free, extremely low carbohydrate meals, but high protein food, high nutrient food, satisfying, delicious, wonderful, and what else? Anything else you can say. Alright, so today I'm going to be taking you into my kitchen to see how I make this very delicious, satisfying dinner that I will make. This kind of dinner helps you to wake up in the morning and you don't have any issues at all with blood glucose levels spiking, because it's literally starch free, as I would say. It's ketogenic friendly, delicious, tasty, and satisfying. We are going to be making some cauliflower mash with fish served with vegetables, and part of that vegetable is going to be the cauliflower leaves and florets that comes along with the cauliflower. Many people usually would throw this away. I don't, not me, because that is delicious vegetable, crunchy, nice. You can season it and mix it up with every other veggies. It's so good. So stop wasting your money, stop wasting nutrients, stop wasting deliciousness. So come with me to the kitchen and see what I make for you tonight. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that cooking. Did you see all the steps? Please drop a message for me on the comment section in case you missed out any step and you want me to explain it further. I'm very excited to do so. Now you can see what I'm holding in my hand. Let me just model it a little bit. See? Deliciousness. A plate of deliciousness. Plate of deliciousness. Look at those vegetables. Vibrant and beautiful. Look at the cauliflower mash. And this is a fish. As always, I will taste it for you and then I'll tell you how it tastes. Let me first of all taste the cauliflower. Listen, that is so creamy. That is so creamy. That's so creamy, and the cheese just takes it to another level. Listen, let me just tell you a little bit of cauliflower, why I eat. You see, cauliflower, just 100 grams of cauliflower will give you only 5 grams of carbohydrates. And out of that carbohydrates, you have about 1.9 grams of fiber. Why shouldn't I eat such a thing? It's so good. The carbohydrates is almost non-existent, guys. Apart from that, 100 grams of cauliflower can give you up to 58% of your daily required vitamin C. It's a good source of vitamin C. It contains potassium as well. The leaves, let's take the fish. When you make this, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'd always come back there to read your comments and comment back. Tell me, with this, how can I still be hungry? How can I still be starving? Why wouldn't I have good nutrients to move around? Why wouldn't I have good energy source? This is a wonderful meal. You no longer have to starve in the midst of plenty just because you want to go low carbohydrates. Let's be adventurous in the kitchen. Nice. For me, it's a yes.